On 9th of December, Sanjeev Kumar Saikia, Superintendent of Police, Karbi Anglong called for a press conference at Police Conference Hall, Police Reserve, over the seizure and recovery of 6 SBBL rifles along with 13 live ammunitions from various parts of the district. Directed the force to recover all the illegal weapons from across the district at the earliest. Sanjeev Kumar Saikia, SP of Karbi Anglong, while addressing the media, informed that to ban the ownership of illegal arms and weapons within Karbi Anglong district, a special operation was launched on 8th of December under the supervision of Special DG. A total of 6 SBBL rifles along with 13 live ammunitions were recovered so far, and one person was arrested in connection to this case.
Jiman weapon ase district illegal weapon আছে আমি হেবিলাক উদ্ধাৰ কৰিব চেষ্টা কৰিছো আৰু সেই উদ্ধাৰ অভিযানত এতিয়ালৈকে আমি 6টা SBBL গান আমি উদ্ধাৰ কৰিবলৈ সক্ষম হৈছো লগত প্ৰায় 12-13 জাইমান গুলিও আমি পাইছো আৰু এটা কেছ ইতিমধ্যে আমি পঞ্জীয়ন কৰিছো আমি এজন লোকক ইতিমধ্যে গ্ৰেপ্তাৰ কৰিছো
SB also informed that the ownership of illegal arms and weapons is very prevalent not only in Karbi Anglong district. Hence, appeal the civilians to stay vigilant and inform the police department if any of such illegal arms ownership is spotted. Also inform that they are committed to wind up the consumption of narcotics and intoxicants within the state of Assam.
আমি ভাবা নাই illegal arms তো সব জায়গাতে আছে Karbi Anglong বুলি মই নিশ্চিতভাৱে Karbi Anglong বুলি কওঁ কিন্তু তেনেকুৱা জতে নাথাকক কি আমি উদ্ধাৰ কৰিবলৈ চেষ্টা কৰিম যদি থাকে
News Desk report, Karbi Anglong Live.